Hey, welcome back to, what is it, part 5 or 6 of this video? So yeah, Assistant, the Invoker or Madness is what this card is called. I know it's a Cyber Elite monster, and it's pretty cool. And it's got sparkles in there. I don't know if you can see the little sparkles, but that's pretty cool. So that was the 5 cards from our booster pack, and then we had 2018 Meta 10 Meta Pack. This one is supposed to have 16 freaking cards in there. Woo, that's a lot of cards. So we have F.A. Whip Crosser. Okay, a lot of these, I doubt are new cards. Compact Strike. Dark World Brainwashing, we already got that card, and I believe somewhere in there. World Legacy Landmark, Amazonian Spy, Goku Headbat. Never seen that card before, that's pretty new. Lilith, Twilight Warrior Enchantress. You might know it's a Light Warrior, then I guess it counts as Twilight Warrior. Fuse Line. Oh my god, I hate when they're so shiny that you can't see what they are. Majesty Maiden, the True Draco Caster. Goku Ray Scorpio. Dance. Yeah. Loot Hole. This is gotta be something like Dark Hole, but only for the cyber version, I'm guessing. Emergency Recruit Rescue. Yeah, it's something to do with the rescue animals, like rescue can stuff. At the end of the day. Chameleon Switch. Digital Bud. LD Bud. We've seen that one before here. And Kachu or Nachu. Yeah. Not that bad. I mean, pretty good cards. I mean, you know, that's I'm super stoked. This is what I got. Let's see. Here's my old deck that I've been working on. I have the Yu-Gi-Oh! Zetsu. Anyways, wondering what those ones are. Let's see. Where are they? The Dark Magicians that I have. So, yeah, I have this Dark Magician, which, I don't know, I guess I'm going to put it there, which is different from, yes, this pack. From this Dark Magician and this Dark Magician, so. And I believe there is another Dark Magician here. So, then I have Magician of Black Chaos. Let me put these back in order. Dark Sage, Dark Magical Knight, and like I was saying, this is my Dark Magician Gold I have, but it's all in Spanish. So I really would love to get this card in English, so people actually know what the card says if they don't remember from years ago from the original Yu-Gi-Oh series. And I have cards to just strengthen my Dark Magicians, like Mystical Plasma Zone, Curse of Darkness, Ominous Fortune Telling, Banner Courage, Dimensional Fusers, Black Magic Whistle, Polarization, Push Brat Power Stone, Miraculous Restoring, so that I could bring back this card and use it again. Blast Magician. Oh, here's my other Dark Magician. So I kind of have like the Stone Tarot version. I have the original Cross Arm version. I have now the Dark version. And I have him kind of like how he was from the original Yu-Gi-Oh show, where he kind of puts his hand on his head. It's like, oh, my hair's out of place. I didn't use enough product. You know, Time Wizard to get to the Dark Sage. Monster Reborn if something fails, or I could continue to bring back my Dark Magician. Knight's Title, Sage Stone, Spell Reproduction, Change of Heart if I need to capture a thing or swap creatures with a creature swap. I believe those were the cards to try to point off my Dark Magic thing. Oh, Spellbind Circle. I'm trying to think if there was any other ones. Magical Cylinder, Power Greed, Goblin Feed.